Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to export or import a virtual machine in VirtualBox. So without further ado, let's get right into it. VirtualBox offers an Export Appliance feature that allows you to package a virtual machine into an OVO, Open Virtualization Format, file. This makes transferring VMs between systems easier and more structured. Export a virtual machine in VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox and go to File, then Export Appliance. Select the VM you want to export. Choose a format, OVO, Open Virtualization Format Archive. Pick a destination folder and file a name. Click Export and wait for the process to complete. Tip: this method ensures the VM is self-contained and can be imported on another VirtualBox installation. Import a virtual machine in VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox and go to File, then Import Appliance. Select the OVO file you previously exported. Review and modify VM settings if needed. Click Import and wait for the VM to be created. Start the VM. It should run as expected. Difference between export, import versus copy, paste, method, export, import VM, OVO. Copy, paste VM files. Portability can be used across different systems. Works best on the same system. Completeness includes all configurations in one file. Might miss snapshots or linked files. Ease of transfer simplifies moving VMs to another machine. Requires manual file management. Speed takes time to process. Faster for quick restores. Which method should you use? If transferring a VM to another system or backup, use export, import. If making a quick local backup, use copy-paste. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.